So now we're showing you the rest of the Tool Zone gifts here at Lowe's for the Black Friday deals. We're just going to briefly show you what I think are the better stocking stuffer tools. That's what all of these are. The gift zone is basically stocking stuffers with some tools mixed in. I will put links in the video description below for you folks to all of the more milestone items that I find here, some of my more favorite deals. That way you'll be able to order them directly. You can even order them online and then go pick it up at the store, which is even better. And by the way, if you use our Lowe's links down below, we'll get credit for it. We'll get a small commission, so that will help our channel out, and we thank you for your support in that. So always popular here are these 3-piece headlamps. These are great for crawling through your attic or your crawl space. $9.98. So you can choose between those or the 3 flashlights. Now here you have the Weehaw 5-piece soft finish screwdriver set with the markings on them, which I like. Now Weehaws are usually popular with the electricians. They like to put these in their tool bags. Always favorites of mine are the Jurgensen clamps. We have, this is one I've not seen here before, but man, this puppy's powerful. So this particular Jurgensen clamp is $49.98. They call it the parallel clamp, which is better known as the Cabinet Master. And this one truly is a Cabinet Master, because this will stretch 48 whopping inches, and this one has 1,500 pounds of holding power there, which is incredible. Because a lot of times you'll squeeze 2 cabinets together with these, with the smaller clamps. These will be okay, but when you kind of use these little plastic, the cheaper, smaller plastic ones from many other competitors, when you try to drill one cabinet into another, they'll tend to slip a bit because the clamps aren't strong enough to hold them. Now these 600-pound ones here might be better for that as well. So I would pretty much only trust this or this one. I don't think I would trust anything that only can do like 100 pounds or less. They're just not going to work for you. So it looks like rather than waiting for Black Friday like they used to do here, like with the router, they already just dropped the price immediately from $129 down to $89, which I like that. And this year we have here this newer 15-piece mixed router set. These are $79.99. A little bit pricey when you compare it to the skill set, but I think some people prefer Bosch to the skill. I don't recommend this particular Bosch laser here, the 3-line cross-line red, because it's red, and red is not very strong. You always want to use green lasers. This I think is a really good value from Jurgensen. Look at this. So we're getting a 10-piece oscillating blade set here for $29.98. Oh yes. And then look at this. If you use a Dremel type tool, this is a 276-piece kit here that has all sorts of spinning bits. And look at this, $29.98. I like this one because it's really a compact kit. I might get this for my Dremel. I mean, look, all the different heads you can think of on there. Some drill bits, different sized heads. Now this one I like. This is very useful if you want to put something on a spirit level and have it just tell you digitally what the angle is. This is also great for gauging your table saw to make sure that your blade is perfectly perpendicular. So $19.98. I got one of these for me. I'm going to test it out. Part of my Lowe's haul for today. Yeah, they also have this 9-inch torpedo level. Kind of nice, magnetic. I like that. Powerful. Yet lots of viewing windows on there. I think the price could probably be a little lower though. Okay, so it looks like Metabo here has taken across the board about $50 off of their pneumatic tools, and then you can get the compressor also for $199, and then the hose is 50% off. But here's what I suggest to you. I think this is time that we all start switching over to the battery operated nailers. I've already been using the Ryobi 18-gauge Airstrike, and it works just fine, man. You don't have to lug around this and deal with the hoses and the compressor noise and all of that. It's just so much easier now. I think it's time to cut the cable, folks. Anyway, these are some decent prices for those of you that still want to stick it out with the air. I think of all of the items in this whole tool zone, this has got to be my favorite one right now. So here's the Toughbuilt Quick Set Workbench. This here is exactly like the DeWalt table over at Home Depot. Now I have the DeWalt table, many of you have it. We all bought ours in 2018, 2019, 2020 when they were dropping the price at Black Friday from $99 down to $69. Well, now the DeWalt table has gone up so much, it's on sale for $99 down from $119. It's not so much of a good price anymore, but here the Toughbuilt is $69.98 down from $99. So what a great deal this one is right now. If you don't have a table like this, if you don't have a folding workbench like this, especially a rapid folding one and unfolding, you need to get one. This is almost like, it looks exactly like it pretty much. You get the yellow button that opens it, and it opens in 2 seconds, and you just open it and boom, set it right out. On the back side, the legs are metallic. This is built just like the DeWalt one. Now this one right here is a 30-foot cross laser level. Now this is green. This is my recommended color. Always make sure you go with green laser, not red. Now it only goes 30 feet, but for, you know, most homeowners, or if you're just doing a living room or something, or tiling in a room, this would be perfect. Here you've got two great deals on the economy rubber air hoses from Craftsman. So the 25-footer is $17.98. The 50-footer is $27.98. Now here you have the Craftsman 47-piece screwdriving bit set, and this has a new lower price down to $9.98. And I always have people asking me about these every year too. Decent prices on these torque wrenches. You have the 3/8 inch torque wrench is $54.98, and the 1/2 inch torque wrench is $64.98. Yeah, so they're a decent discount off the price here. And they come in these nice hard storage cases too. And these are two very useful little tools to have from Craftsman. This is your Roto-Bit screwdriver, electric screwdriver, $24.98. That's him right there. He's very small. And this one here is kind of cool. This gets you into some tighter areas for $29.98. You got this one. This is the pivoting screwdriver. Now this Craftsman Instack they usually do every year, and I love these deals. If you're looking for some really cheap tape measures, you get this 2-pack here for $10. These are great for just keeping out by the saw or just having spares in your toolbox. And then these I like here, the two 7-inch squares. I like this color because if you're ever working outside with your tile wet saw and it's getting late in the day and you're starting to fight darkness, it can be easier to see with this than with some of the other darker colored squares. And two really cheap torpedo levels, $9.98. Normally you'd see the same price for just one. A perennial favorite of ours right here is this 3-piece retrieval kit for like automotive, or if you drop a bolt somewhere. So here's your telescoping retriever right here, and it's magnetic, so it'll pick up the screws. And same here with that one. And you got the mirror as well. We gave away a bunch of these last year in our tool giveaways. These were very popular. $10.98, you can't beat that price. They've already started a lot of these items lower than they used to start them. Okay, now here you have the 8-piece bi-material screwdriver set, and it looks okay, but here's why I don't like this set. You see it right there? There's no markings on the tips of them. So if you were to stuff these in a bag or something, how are you going to tell which screwdriver it is? Is it a Phillips head? Is it a flathead or what? I don't buy screwdrivers like this. Some of you that may not mind, there you go. That's a pretty good price there. They do these here every year also. This is the 3-piece adjustable wrench, and look at the sizes you got. That's why I like this, because they go above an inch. Most of us don't have wrenches above an inch in our collection, so you want to get one of these. I picked this up when it was $12.99 after Black Friday like 3 years ago as a clearance price, but $14.98 is still pretty good because they used to start these at $19.98 and then drop it to $14.98 at Black Friday, but they've already lowered it ahead of time. And then same thing here too with these channel lock wannabes here. These are the groove joint pliers set, 3 of them. Another great set to get here, and $14.98. You cannot go wrong on these. Now this year it looks like they've changed the format on these. They didn't used to stack them up double stack like this, but this is the ratcheting wrench set. It's at $69.98. I believe I bought mine on sale for $49 or in the $40 range, but you know, that's after Black Friday if you're willing to wait, and if they still have any left over, it might drop down to that price. Now, of course, I'm not going to cover every single item here, but you know, you can get an idea for all of the little hand tools and stocking stuffers and tchotchkes that they have here, and drill bits and little flashlight deals. These are all the different items for you to consider. Here's a decent one because you got a 5-piece pliers set here for $24.98. And it has a set of lineman pliers on there too, which I like. You got needle nose, you got wire strippers, and 2 different types of pliers. This is a perennial favorite of mine. I picked this one up a couple of years ago. This is that 22-piece drive accessory kit. It's $29.98. So this has right here all of those little extenders and bigger extenders that you don't normally find in the little universal joint there, the elbows. These are all of the pieces that you don't normally find in your kits when you buy them. So for screwdrivers, I think you'll be happier with this kit because you can see they're labeled on the tips there, so you know what kind of screwdriver you're getting there. Yeah, because this kit is $19.98, and you can see they're labeled on the tips, so you can see what kind of screwdriver you're getting. You also get these very handy offset screwdrivers. These are great when you're working on cabinet drawers. And then you get the miniature screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener if you ever need one. So yeah, what a What a nice little stocking stuffer to get. This is cool here, your Build and Grow tool sets. These are for kids, but they're real tools though, okay? They're tiny and they're made for their little hands, but look, they have blue for the guys and pink for the girls. $24.98.